One, the beliefs you hold in the beginning of a journey defines the journey. Two, you can perform to your beliefs or underperform your beliefs. You will never outperform your beliefs. Why is he doing a business for 50,000 crores? Why is he doing a business for 5,000 crores? Why is he doing a business for 50 crores? Why is he doing a business for 5 crores? Why is he doing a business for 50 lakhs? Why is he satisfied with an income of 50,000 rupees per month? Their belief system. Their belief system. You cannot believe that I have a business model which can give me a turnover of 5 crores and expect to earn 50 crores out of that business model. You will either perform to 5 crores or you will underperform to 5 crores, but you will not perform to 8.5 crores. The power of your belief is such that you can either perform to your beliefs or underperform to your beliefs. You will never outperform your beliefs, which means if the results of my life has to expand, my beliefs have to expand. Without expanding my belief, I cannot expand my life. When mind opens, life opens. When mind opens, economy opens. When mind opens, the market opens. But only when the mind opens, and the only way you can open up your mind is, we need to expand the beliefs with which we look at life. Daridra chinta in beliefs, daridra results will come. Abundance in your belief system, abundance will come. So as we step into 2010, the sort of results that you will produce, the sort of results you will magnetize into your life, and you are a magnet, and your beliefs are magnet, and it's all the time magnetizing opportunities, resources towards you. You continue to keep believing. See, good people, no, आजकल नहीं मिलता है. It's not possible anymore to get good people to build a... No, you don't get good people. Why? You can't see good people because your belief system is that there are no good people anymore. And yet your competitive organization continues to draw the best of the people, the best of the resources, and continues to keep producing results because some of his belief system is, if you can build a good organization, good people love to come and work for you. His belief system is enabling him to produce the results he is producing. So without shift in belief, there is going to be no shift in our life. Which means, rather than examining your life, which is only an effect, examine your beliefs, which are the cause. If you have to change the effect, you have to change the cause.